Welcome to this week's episode of D-Range. You got it. Today, what we're going to do things a little different than how we normally do them. How we normally do them is, we go out there and we get a gun and we'll bring it up here and we'll bring it to D-Range and we'll shoot the gun and we'll tell you about the gun and we'll go through the process of things with the gun, if they're good guns or bad guns, and we'll tell you what ammunition we're shooting. We'll tell you this and that, and we'll go through and we'll shoot some cool stuff sometimes. A lot of times we shoot a good little skit at the beginning. Well, today you're gonna get a good skit. If you like stuff going boom, well, stuff's gonna go boom today. I will tell you today we are shooting a Savage 270. This Savage 270, we shot one round today in this episode, and we shot 130 grain soft tip bullet. But today's sponsor is D-Range. And don't forget, we are up to 65 people, subscribers to this channel. 65. Our first goal is going to be 100 people. So don't forget, once we hit 100 people, well, guess what? I'm going to give some stuff away. Maybe you get some merch like this. Maybe you get some merch like this. Maybe you get something else. Who knows? But we got to hit that first goal of 100. Our goal is not ending with 100, but our first goal is 100. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to tell your mama, to tell your daddy, to tell your cousins, tell all your friends. Hound them. Make sure they subscribe to this channel. Don't cost them anything to subscribe. But all of y'all, some of y'all, one of y'all, everybody who knows may get something in return. Like I said, 100 people, 100 subscribers. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. What you're getting ready to see next, don't try this at home. Peace.
What are you doing?
Setting up the camp.
Why are you doing that?
I'm going to make some popcorn.
How are you going to do that?
I'll show you. just like I like it. Hot and buttery. Tell me I can't make no popcorn. You got something else coming. Ah.